What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you caught the last upload where we introduced you to the 2000 model GT, today we're going to cut it in half. Not completely, partially, but yeah. So where are we going to cut this thing? About the shock towers?
Probably
right about there. And
it's garbage, so
yeah, rob a ton of parts off this thing. So this should be interesting, but we showed you in the last video, guys, this engine actually does run. Looks like absolute hell. It was hit very hard, rolled, God only knows what. But yeah, today we're going to pretty much cut a Mustang in half. she goes. Woo!
Run.
All right, boys, so there you go. That is how you strip a very well-worn Mustang GT. Just a little cutting here and there. There she is. Hey, we need to reuse this.
Yeah, it's a new dryer.
Yeah, that's brand new dryer.
Yeah.
Reuse that. And then, of course, well, we got a mess over here. Hi, Ken. Hey, wait a minute, guys. We got Ken in the house. What's up, dude? Did you come to see the car cut in half?
No, I didn't know you was doing
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, dude.
I just come to visit.
Yeah, there she is, boys. Like I said, if you caught the last upload on the channel, this engine starts and runs great. So if you need a 2-valve, holler at us.
I need one.
I know it looks rough, but dude, this thing runs like a top. Doesn't smoke, nothing. Yeah. There she is. Lots of 5-lug parts. Got a good engine, trans, all the hydro boost, all the AC lines. Obviously, it's going to need to be cleaned up a little bit.
Well, the AC line. Well, yeah. Those are fine. That's good. That's you know,
Yeah. Yeah, not all of them are going to be reused, but like you got your pigtails and I mean, you got a ton of good parts. And of course, the 8.8 under it and all the rear disc brake stuff. So, yeah, tons of good parts. We recycle out here. That's what we do.
Yeah.
I was on both hinges, but there's another. I had that bolt on the door.
I mean, that's one way to get the door off, right? Just kind of let it
Go
fall.
that way. Like shit. Here. Go up. Now one more.
Almost.
There it is.
Yeah, buddy.
Got us playing bolts on.
Yep. Now you can get back there, get the hydro boost out. This poor car. That's what happens when kids get a hold of Mustangs, yo. right, y'all, so there you go. 8.8 out. Got the drive shaft, got the gas tank, and of course all the front stuff: hydro boost, air conditioning, engine, transmission. You got the hydro boost right there. Tons of good parts on these cars if you can find them, like this. You know, obviously they're not going to be worth anything anyway, so, you know, save the parts, put them on something else, because this one wasn't going anywhere anytime soon. So there you go, guys. That is one very, very good way to get parts cheap to do these Coyote swaps. Again, the hydro boost, the air conditioning, you know, the power steering, all that stuff that we use on these Coyote swaps comes off of these cars. So if you know of one, snatch it up, get some parts. And of course, everybody needs an 8.8. Everybody's always looking for an 8.8. Of course, you got your disc brake stuff, spindles, lots of good parts. So there you go. And something like this can be gotten for, you know, anywhere 500 to 1,500 bucks, depending on the shape. So you'll spend that buying the parts new just for like the air conditioning stuff. But that is what is up, guys. We got lots of parts we can use for other cars. It's a good day. So anytime if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, because we're going to put all these parts to good use in future videos. Later, guys.